A challenge was made and accepted. Acclaimed celebrity chefs, your favorite Food Network stars, and our judges battle it out to win $50,000 for their favorite charity. This is Chopped All-Stars. This is the put their money where their mouths are, gotta see it, anything could happen fight that you've been waiting for. 4 of our own judges moments away from heading to the Chopped Kitchen. 3 celebrity chefs have already earned their spots in the $50,000 All-Stars finale. We know that the last spot will be going to a Chopped judge, but which one? Of course, you know the rules, but I'm going to recite them for you anyway because it's what I live for. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way, be it a little or a lot. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will not move on to the next round. You will be chopped. But if you win, you'll get to compete in the All-Stars finale, where $50,000 will go to the favorite charity of whoever is able to take the top honors there. Are you ready to make this role reversal real?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Yes.
Chefs, please open your baskets. The mandatory ingredients for the appetizer round are potato pancakes, purple kohlrabi, Korean melon, and goat brains. You have exactly 20 minutes on the clock. Time starts now.
So I decided to make curried goat brains, seared and served with a mustard vinaigrette. I love my fellow judges. They're all cute and nice and everything, but it's gotta be a girl today, guys.
Clock is ticking, and the basket is what drives me what I'm gonna do. So bacon, apples, goat brain came to my mind right away.
The first round, I want to make a quesadilla because you can make a quesadilla out of most ingredients. But when things don't work, I want the chef to understand why it's not working. But that doesn't make me a bad guy. I'm a nice guy, I promise.
You know, the greatest thing about Chopped is that we get to see this young talent walk through here all the time. And today is just as exciting for me because I get to open those baskets and actually cook. I'm gonna poach off these brains, so I'm gonna leave them on the fire for about a minute or 2 and let them poach slowly. I'm making seared goat brains on top of a spicy slaw.
Clock is ticking, so I start thinking about what could be my light element. And that's when the romaine lettuce came in.
And chefs, we have 1 minute left on the clock.
Every one of these people are nervous. You can see their hands, and they do not want to lose.
It's stressful to be in the Chopped Kitchen. When you're doing a competition like this, you have very little time to think.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Woo!
This is cruel.
Chef Chris.
It's a goat brain, potato, and goat cheese quesadilla with a Korean melon and purple kohlrabi salsa.
Next up, Chef Alex.
I made for you today a seared goat brain with a little bit of curry on a very acidic mustard vinaigrette with celery, melon, kohlrabi, and parsley.
And next we go to Chef Marcus.
This is actually a dish that my grandmother would cook for us, pita panna. It's a hash, and I used goat brain, bacon, and a little bit of apple.
Last appetizer, Chef Marc.
I'm gonna call this seared goat brain on top of a spicy pickled salad.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Damn it. Chef Chris, you've been chopped. Chef Alex, Chef Marcus, Chef Marc, please open your baskets. And for the entree course, you must use rack of Berkshire pork, kusa, grape molasses, and preserved duck eggs.
This egg is a mummified egg, and now it's in this chopped basket. Ay, 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 ay. Somebody's trying to kill me.
30 minutes on the countdown clock, starting now.
Holy kusa. Holy Holy kusa.
I butcher down the pork, then straight in the pan, season it, smoked paprika, some chili, cumin, cardamom, as I'm searing it.
I'm making a pork medallion with white bean ragu, kusa, and a yogurt sauce.
I'm going to sear the pork chops in hot oil while my griddle heats up so that I build momentum cooking the pork.
1 minute left.
I'm down to the wire here. I really am thinking I'm not gonna finish.
Second round, my charity, 50,000 is over there somewhere, right? All of these things are at stake.
Marcus finishing with some beautiful black salt.
So you, today, gonna get everything I have.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Alex.
I made for you today a seared double-cut pork chop with a molasses and sherry glaze.
Next, Chef Marcus.
Today, I made for you a salted pork chop with a kusa and molasses compote and a duck egg dashi.
Chef Marc.
I made pork medallions on white bean ragu with kusa, sauteed with arugula, and I did a yogurt grape molasses sauce.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Marc, you've been chopped. Chef Alex, Chef Marcus, you've made it to dessert.
To get to the dessert round and have the privilege of competing against Marcus, it's inspiring.
Alex Guarnaschelli is a fierce competitor. We're putting it all on the line. I better bring it.
Chefs, please open your baskets. And you must use cake flour, farmer's cheese, baby beets, and cola. 30 minutes on the clock, starting now.
As a chef, I've always liked examining raw ingredients and imagining what I will make with them. And I feel blueberries and beets could feed off each other really nicely in a dessert. So I'm going to make a blueberry and beet tart. And I'm going to use this cola to make a granita. I mix the cola with lemon juice, lemon zest, and a little instant coffee melted down in a little hot water. $50,000 would mean a lot to St. Jude, but I'm taking this one round at a time.
I see cola and baby beets. Let's go for some chocolate. Because beet and chocolate works together. So I'm making a kladdkaka, which is Swedish for gooey chocolate cake, with beet cola syrup. You want to utilize the time to the max.
How much time?
1 minute, Alex.
Oh my God, and Alex is running 2.
I run to the glass chiller to grab the granita, and I'm thinking this is a chopped cliche, right? If I don't get this granita on the plate, then my plate won't have cola on it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Chef Marcus.
Judges, in front of you, you have a Swedish kladdkaka, a gooey chocolate cake with a beet cola syrup and farmer's cheese 2 ways. One is frozen and one is soft.
Last dessert, Chef Alex.
I've made for you a blueberry tart with farmer's cheese, beets, tarragon, and a little bit of honey cream with a cola and coffee granita.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Alex, you've been chopped. That means, Chef Marcus Samuelsson, that you are the chopped champion, and you will be representing the chopped judges in the All-Stars finale.
I'm super happy.